Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are safe in indoors. So, today I am here to start a new chapter of your maths book of class 2, that is chapter 6. Chapter name is money. Okay. So, this chapter name is money. So, please open your book, page number 140 for the reference. Okay. So, dear children, money is whenever we will go any shop to want to buy anything, that time we need money. Yes, because if we want to buy anything, the seller want money from us, so we need money. In Indian currency it is called Indian rupee. So let's go see the Indian rupee or coins. So dear children, it is the, let me show you which is the Indian coins and which is the Indian currency notes. Okay, so first it is 50 rupees coin. Okay, now next it is 1 rupees coin, 1 rupee coin, it is 2 rupees coin, next 5 rupees coin, then afterwards it is 10 rupees coin. Okay, so 50, next 1 rupee, next 2 rupee, next 5 rupee, next 10 rupee. Okay, now let's go see the notes. Okay, which are the Indian notes. So first it is 1 rupee note, like as 1 rupee coin, same value these twos are. Next 2 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin it is. Next it is 5 rupees coin, 5 rupees note. Next it is 10 rupees note. I think all of you know about the rupees. Okay, but now also you have to know that so dear children, it is 20 rupees note. Next it is 50 rupees note. I will show you, it is 100 rupees note. Next it is 500 rupees note. Next this side it is 200 rupees note and 2000 rupees note. So these are the notes of Indian currency. These are the notes of Indian currency and these are the coins of Indian currency. Okay, so 1 rupee, you remember that dear children, 1 rupee consists 100 pies. Okay, so now let's go the next page, that is, so how 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee equal to 100 pies. So how many rupees we have to find out, how many rupees equal to how many pies. But I will tell you one thing more, that is, see that here 10.50 pies. What it is, you have to know that what is this. Okay, so whenever you have to write that it is 10 rupees 50 pies, this dot is divided, the rupees and the pies, these two are divided by the dot. Okay, in the rupees, this side, in right side it is rupees and left side it is pies. Okay, so dear children, remember that pies will be tell us P. Okay, P equal to is pies, and rupees symbol it is, I will show you in board. See that it is rupees symbol. Okay, so whenever you have to write down the rupees, that time you have to remember to write down this symbol, and pies means you have to write down P only. Okay, so let's go do this one, which is in our chapter assessment. So write the following amounts using dots. Here we have to write down the following amounts using the dots. Okay, so here 7 rupees and 75 pies. So I will tell you, because you remember that it is clear that left on of the dot shows that there is no rupees. Okay, so 7 rupees and 75 pies. So you have to write down that 7.75 pies. Okay, dear children. But one thing more you have to write down, that you have to write down the symbol before writing the numbers. Okay, so rupee symbol, see that it is rupee symbol. 1 minute. First you see that first rupee symbol, then after 7.75. I will show you in board. Just see the board. I will write down it in board. So 7.75. Okay. So it is 7.75 pies. 7 rupees 75 pies. Like that you have to write down. So let's go do the next. So please open your book, dear children, page number 116 for the reference. So in this page you have the instruction that write the following amounts in words. So first it is a number, rupees 26.75. So we have to write down this one. So just wait 1 minute, I will write down it in the board. So dear children, see that you have to write down like this also, and one thing more I will write down it, that 26 rupees and 75 pies, or you have to write down 26 rupees and 275 pies. In words you have to write down like that only. Okay, so let's go do the book. That in book you have one thing, that is how many 2 rupees coin make 16. So that time I will tell you in before many classes, in previous many classes, that you have to remember the table number, because if you don't know the table number, you not memorize these things. So in this side you have to know the 2 number table. So 2 number table. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. So how many 2 rupees coin make 16? How 8 2 rupees coin 8. We need to make 16 rupees. Okay. So let's open your book, page number 117, that is exercise 6A. So convert the following rupees into pies. So dear children, we have to convert these rupees into pies. Okay, so first it is 12 rupees. Okay dear children, so see that I will write down it in board. So see that 12 rupees we have to convert into pies. So I will tell you 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. So 12 into 100 equal to 1200 pies. Okay dear. So next one also 3 rupees. Okay, this one also we have to convert into pies. So 3 into 100 equal to 300 pies. So dear children, all of you open your book, page number 119, and it is exercise 6B. So here instruction given that write the following amounts in columns and add. So dear children, here we have to add these rupees. These 2 rupees we have to add. Okay. So let's do the board work. So follow the board, dear children. Here I will write down it, that 24 rupees in rupees column and 50 pies in pies column. Okay. Next 9 rupees, 9.10 rupees. Okay, 9 rupees in rupees column and 10 pies in pies column. So we have to add, so that I will write down the addition symbol also. So here first we have to go the pies. We have to solve the pi side. So first it is 0. So I will write down the 0. Then 5 plus 1. So we have to count, add it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will write down it 6. So after that we have to go the solve the rupees column. So rupees column, first we have 4 and next we have 9. So 9 plus 4 we have to add. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 13 3 I will write down and 1 in hand. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So the answer is 33 rupees and 60 pice. Hope, dear children, all of you understood today's class, and I will explain it in your online classes also. If you have any queries or any doubts, you can ask me in your online classes. Otherwise, you can ask me in your class WhatsApp groups. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.